Welcome to English PhraseCamp. In today's video, we'll be learning how to master the present continuous. So, what is the present continuous? Well, the present continuous is when we talk about actions that are happening now. Okay, so how do we make the present continuous form? So, let's look at the positive present continuous. To make a positive present continuous sentence, we would construct it like this. Subject, for instance, I, you, he, plus a helping verb of be, for instance, am, are, and is, plus a verb that ends in ing. For example, I am running. To make a negative present continuous sentence, it's exactly the same as a positive present continuous, but we only need to add not in between the helping verb be and the verb ing. For instance, I am not running. So how do we make present continuous questions? There are two types of present continuous questions. The first are yes and no questions. What do I mean by this? It simply means that these types of present continuous questions, you can simply reply with a yes or no answer or reply. So how do we make these types of questions? It's very simple. We put the helping verb be at the beginning of the sentence, plus the subject, plus the ing verb question mark at the end. For example, are they running? The second type of present continuous questions are WH questions. With these types of questions, you cannot give a yes or no reply or an answer. You have to give more information. So how do we make these types of questions? It's very simple. It's exactly the same as the yes or no question, but you add a WH at the beginning of the question. For example, you can add a what, when, where, why, or even how at the very beginning. So let's look at this example. What are they doing? You cannot give a yes or a no answer to this question. You have to give more information. For instance, they are reading a book. Okay, now that you know how to make all these questions and phrases about the present continuous, let's look at 70 examples of the present continuous. And if you found this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. See you next time. Bye.
I'm reading. I'm reading. He is working. He is working. We're eating breakfast. We're eating breakfast. The train is coming. The train is coming. I'm watching TV. I'm watching TV. She is doing homework. She is doing homework. We're driving to his house. We're driving to his house. He's waiting at the bus stop. He's waiting at the bus stop. They're playing soccer. They're playing soccer. He's studying at the library. He's studying at the library. She isn't eating breakfast. She isn't eating breakfast. You're not speaking to me. You're not speaking to me. They are not doing their homework. They are not doing their homework. I'm working now. I'm working now. He's not watching TV. He's not watching TV. It's raining. It's raining. She's not wearing a jacket. She's not wearing a jacket. I'm lying on the floor. I'm lying on the floor. You're wearing a nice watch. You're wearing a nice watch. They are cooking something. They are cooking something. She's swimming in the pool. She's swimming in the pool. We're staying at the hotel. We're staying at the hotel. They're going home. They're going home. He's standing next to the table. He's standing next to the table. I'm sitting on the floor. I'm sitting on the floor. They aren't laughing. They aren't laughing. I'm not wearing a hat. I'm not wearing a hat. We're not drinking anything. We're not drinking anything. It's not raining. It's not raining. She's not listening to music. She's not listening to music. She's not wearing shoes. She's not wearing shoes. I'm reading the newspaper. I'm reading the newspaper. The sun is shining. The sun is shining. I'm not going today. I'm not going today. Are you staying at home? Are you staying at home? Is she going to work? Is she going to work? Am I staying? Am I staying? Are you feeling okay? Are you feeling okay? Are you reading a book? Are you reading a book? Are they going home? Are they going home? Are you watching this TV program? Are you watching this TV program? Are you enjoying the movie? Are you enjoying the movie? Is the computer working? Is the computer working? Are you waiting for the train? Are you waiting for the train? Is John working today? Is John working today? What are you listening? What are you listening? What are you reading? What are you reading? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you cooking? What are you cooking? What are you wearing? What are you wearing? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you staying? Where are you staying? Where are they working? Where are they working? Where are your parents going? Where are your parents going? Where are you driving? Where are you driving? When is he coming? When is he coming? When are they arriving? When are they arriving? When is she going? When is she going? When are you working? When are you working? When am I starting? When am I starting? Why are you looking at her? Why are you looking at her? Why are they dancing in the street? Why are they dancing in the street? Why is she singing? Why is she singing? Why are we studying? Why are we studying? Why are you exercising? Why are you exercising? How are they studying? How are they studying? How are we going? How are we going? How are you traveling to Europe? How are you traveling to Europe? How are you doing? How are you doing? How am I doing? How am I doing?
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share our videos. Okay, see you next time. Bye.